Hi guys, so I just wanted to make this video to explain our superhero, supervillain element project. It is going to be due on February 10th. That is a Monday. So just wanted to go over it in case you weren't here, you weren't listening, whatever might have been happening. So your project, okay? You will randomly be assigned to an element. In class, I gave it by atomic number. I have those all written down, so if you forgot, I have it written down. If you didn't get assigned one because you weren't here, just come see me. So you are going to personify that character. Your character's physical features and personality has to be related to the physical and chemical features of your element. Okay, so your role as you're taking this on, think of being a comic book author who is presenting this new superhero or villain at Comic-Con. So your audience is that Comic-Con visitors. The format that you're gonna be doing this is the advertisement poster, which will include an illustration and then your biography / backstory. Step one, okay, so we're looking at these steps. Step one was to get assigned or choose that element. We did that on February 4th. Step two is research. We are doing that on February 5th. Then on February 6th, we are actually going to skip down to step 4, which is a written biography. For this biography, you need to explain how your character acquired their superpowers. You need to include at least 5 physical properties and 2 chemical properties, and you need to underline or highlight or circle or whatever those properties in your story. And then step 3 is to create the poster. So if you're wondering how I'm grading, I am using this rubric. It's just on the other side, okay? I'm using this rubric. So if you get done and you're like, am I gonna get a 100%? I don't know, grade yourself. Have your friends grade you, have your parents grade you, I don't care. But this is how I'm grading you. There are resources in Canvas. Here's another list of resources, okay? Flip the page. Here. This is just a format for you to fill out your research. So general information, you get to choose that stuff, right? It's, is it a superhero or villain? Their name, their element name, which you don't get to choose, their symbol, the atomic number and atomic mass, you don't get to choose. That's all set by the element already. When you're doing research, we've got physical properties. Other page, we've got chemical properties and then just some other interesting things. So like, when was your element discovered? Who discovered it? Things like that. Okay, your backstory. If you are handwriting your backstory, it needs to be at least 3/4 of the page, which is about 25 lines. Okay, if you are typing your backstory, then it has to be a full page, double spaced, 12-point font, and then Arial or Times New Roman. Very standard, okay? Then the rest of this packet, I did decide to give you all each template, okay? Obviously you're only doing one, and that's it. So if you have any further questions, please email me or see me in class. Bye guys.